Today we are going to see preparation of aldehydes. Okay, so here we are going to see some naming reactions, very important. So in your exam will ask you complete the following type question or else paragraph write questions like that will ask you and write. Okay, here first Rosenmund reduction reaction. Okay, so acyl chloride or acid chloride is hydrogenated over catalyst palladium on barium sulfate. Okay, so acyl chloride, that is when alkyl group is bonded with the chloride acyl, the chloride COCl, that is alkyl acyl chloride. So when aryl group is bonded with the COCl, that is aryl chloride. Okay, aryl acyl chloride. Okay, so that is, so first let me take the example alkyl acid chloride. Okay, or is alkyl chloride, so or C double bond O, then Cl. Okay, so that is COCl is acyl group. This acyl group is bonded with alkyl group, so alkyl acyl chloride. Okay, so this alkyl acyl chloride is hydrogenated, reactions takes place hydrogenated, and the catalyst in the presence of palladium and barium sulfate. So this particular, students, you see here this particular, this the acyl chloride completely hydrogenation reactions to produce aldehyde, so or CHO. Okay, so that is aldehyde. Okay, so the same thing aryl acyl chloride. Okay, so this is benzene, so that is COCl. Okay, COCl. Okay, so benzyl chloride in the presence of hydrogenation reactions palladium barium sulfate. So to form this particular aryl chloride, this acyl chloride completely converted to give aldehyde, benzaldehyde. Okay, this is called benzaldehyde. Okay, so students, in your question paper, when you see the hydrogenation with palladium barium sulfate, so this reagent, that is Rosenmund reduction reaction reagent. Okay, so what is Rosenmund reduction reactions? The alkyl or aryl chloride in the presence of hydrogenations, it converted to give aldehyde. Okay, so alkyl acyl chloride means it gives alkyl aldehyde, or this aryl acyl chloride, it gives aryl aldehyde. Okay, so that is benzaldehyde. Okay, this is called Rosenmund reduction. So what is Rosenmund? The reagent hydrogen in palladium barium sulfate. Okay, here SO4. Okay, SO4. Okay, next is Stephen reaction. Okay, this is another one naming reactions. Aldehyde can be prepared by reduction of cyanide by using the SnCl2, okay, tin chloride and HCl followed by hydrolysis, that is called Stephen reaction. Okay, so that is cyano group we may called, that is nitrile group or CN, alkyl cyanide or CN in the presence of, so because this carbon bonded with the triple bond, triple bond nature. Okay, so cyano group, it is a triple bond in nature. So in the presence of SnCl2 and HCl, so it gives imine. Okay, so RCH double bond NH, so this is called imine. So this imine, it is the not expected product, it is the byproduct. Okay, so byproduct means the intermediate follow. Okay, so this imine followed hydrolysis reaction in the acidic medium, so to produce aldehyde. Okay, so RCHO. Okay, so this also correct, or else write or bond C double bond OH, this also correct. Okay, aldehyde. Okay, so this is and suppose aryl cyanide. Okay, aryl cyanide in the presence of SnCl2 and HCl followed by H2O in acidic medium to produce to form, okay, that is benzaldehyde, aryl aldehyde. Okay, so this is Stephen reaction. Okay, this is called Stephen reaction. So what is Stephen reaction? Reagent SnCl2 and HCl in followed by water, that is hydrolysis. Okay, so when you see the question paper for this reagent, but immediately you must think that is a Stephen reduction reactions. Okay, so Stephen's reduction reactions, that is alkyl cyanide or aryl cyanide in the presence of stannous chloride and in the acidic medium, followed by hydrolyzation reactions to produce alkyl aldehyde or aryl aldehyde. Okay, so the same reactions using DIPAL. DIPAL means, that is DIBAL means diiso butyl aluminium hydride. Okay, so this is the reducing agent. Okay, so diiso, it is simplified, we may called DIPAL, the reduction reactions. Okay, the same alkyl cyanide, take alkyl cyanide using DIPAL, DIBAL, DIPAL diiso butyl aluminium hydride. So this particular cyano group converted to give aldehyde group. Okay, so let me take some example, methyl cyanide. So using DIPAL, so the particular cyanide group converted to CH3CHO. Okay, so this is using DIPAL. Okay, so students, we studied Rosamond reduction reactions and Stephen reactions. Preparations from toluene. Okay, so that is Itard reaction. Another one, the naming reaction is Itard reaction. Toluene react with chromyl chloride followed by hydrolysis to form benzaldehyde. Okay, so this is a toluene structure, benzene ring with substituted methyl group. Okay, so this is called methyl substituted benzene ring is called toluene. Okay, so this toluene react with chromyl chloride, CrO2Cl2. Okay, so this is chromyl chloride in the presence of solvent like carbon disulfide. Okay, to form chromium complex. Okay, that is chromium complex, CHOCrOHCl2 twice. Okay, this is chromium complex. Okay, so this chromium complex after hydrolysis. Okay, so hydrolysis to form aldehyde. Okay, so this is benzaldehyde. Okay, so this reaction is called Itard reaction. Okay, so the chromyl chloride in the presence of solvent like carbon disulfide to produce chromium complex, after the chromium complex hydrolyzed to give benzaldehyde, aromatic aldehyde. Okay, for oxidation reaction, the same substituted benzene ring or the toluene react with chromic oxide. Okay, CrO3, chromic oxide in presence of anhydride, CH3CO twice O. Okay, this is called anhydride. Okay, so this reaction react with toluene, react with chromic oxide in the presence of anhydride to produce, in this reaction takes place 273 Kelvin to 283 Kelvin to produce benzylidene acetate. Okay, so this is called benzylidene acetate, CHOCO CO CH3 twice. Okay. So after hydrolyzation reaction takes place to form benzaldehyde. Okay, so here benzaldehyde. Okay, so this is benzaldehyde. Okay, so this is oxidation of strong oxidizing like chromic oxide with anhydride. The reactions, the temperature range 273 to 283 to form benzyl diene benzylidene acetate. Okay, so this is benzylidene acetate. Okay, benzylidene acetate. So after hydrolyzation to give benzaldehyde. Okay, so the chlorination, toluene, it undergoes chlorination reactions. Toluene, it undergoes chlorination reactions. Okay, so the chlorination reactions takes place in the presence of light to produce benzol chloride. So this is called benzol chloride. Okay, so this benzol chloride, it undergoes hydrolyzation reaction at 373 Kelvin to form benzaldehyde. Okay, so ITAD reactions, that is takes place oxidation chlorinations. Okay, and so by Catterman-Koch reactions, benzene is treated with, take benzene, draw the structure benzene, treated with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride in the presence of AlCl3 with CuCl2 means, that is CuCl means cuprous chloride. Okay, CuCl means this is anhydrous. So anhydrous AlCl3 and CuCl cuprous chloride to form benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde. Okay, students, so you must study all the reagents. Okay, when you find the reagents, then it is easy. This is ITAD reaction, this is Stephen reactions, and this is Catterman-Koch reactions. What is the reagent for Catterman-Koch reaction? CO in the presence of hydrogen chloride and the catalyst like anhydrous AlCl3 and cuprous chloride. Okay, so benzene treated with this reagent, we can get the aromatic aldehyde. Okay, so that is called Catterman-Koch reaction. Okay, separation of ketones from acyl chloride. So treatment of acyl chloride with dialkyl cadmium prepared by the reaction of cadmium chloride with Grignard reagent. Okay, so it gives ketone. First, this is any alkyl group with methyl magnesium chloride or methyl magnesium bromide. So that is called Grignard reagent. Organometallic compounds react with cadmium chloride to produce dialkyl cadmium. Okay, so this acyl chloride, alkyl acyl chloride react with this dialkyl cadmium to produce ketone. Okay, this is called ketone. Okay, so ketone and cadmium chloride. Okay, from nitriles, treating a nitrile with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis yield a ketone. Okay, so any nitrile group. Okay, so any nitrile, methyl nitrile or ethyl nitrile, any nitrile group react with methyl magnesium bromide. So that is organometallic compound like Grignard reagent. This is Grignard reagent. Okay, so in the presence of ether is a solvent to produce one intermediate compound. So after this hydrolyzation reactions takes place, the oxygen comes here, so to form an intermediate product, and this is called 1-phenyl because for this naming the IUPAC, the ketone. So here we can start with carbon 1. Okay, so that is 1-phenyl propanone. Okay, 1-phenyl propanone. Okay, so right. So here from nitriles treating with Grignard reagent in the presence of ether to form ketone. Okay, so next one, from benzene or substituted benzene, this reaction is called Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay, so the benzene is react with acid or alkyl or aryl acid chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 aluminum chloride to produce ketone. Okay, so here this is same benzene react with, so that is react with benzene. So this is benzyl chloride. Okay, so benzyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form ketone. Ketone, C double bond O, sorry, ketone. Okay, so this is ketone plus HCl. Okay, so alkyl or aryl acyl chloride react with benzene to form alkyl acetone or alkyl phenone or aryl phenone. Okay.